Okay, today we will see some other commands of AutoCAD. So let's start with the polygons. Now polygon you can see here. Just click the drop down from to the rectangle. Okay, and here you can have the polygon command. For a shortcut, POL. Okay, this is polygon. Then when you will click the polygon, now it will ask you to add a number of side. Okay, how much number of side you want? If I want 6, or sorry, 5, enter. Then specify the center of polygon. Okay, I'm specifying this center. Now here is two option: inscribed in the circle or circumscribed about the circle. Okay, just randomly click first one. I'll explain later. And say this. Okay, this is your polygon. You can enter the dimensions. I want it of 100. Okay, now 100 what? It is the center of the distance from the center of the polygon to the one of the corner. Now next is again polygon, enter the sides 5. Now I need polygon, specify the center of polygon or edge. So I will select the edge. Now specify the first endpoint of edge. This is first endpoint and second endpoint. Can you see? For example, if I have a line, I have a line of 150 and I need a polygon exactly like polygon, number of sides 5, edge, first point and second point. Understand? Now I will explain the inscribed and circumscribed. So first take the circle of 200 and copy the same circle. Select, copy, center point and paste here. Now again go to the polygon, number of sides 5, enter, center point, first one inscribed in the circle, give the second point. What is 200? Now see what is inscribed. As the name suggests, the polygon will inside the circle. Now next one, enter 5, center, circumscribed about the circle and 200. See this. Okay, technically when you will select inscribed in the circle, it will take the distance of center of the polygon to the any any of the corner. And when you will select the circumscribed about the circle, it will take the distance from center to the midpoint of edge. Okay, just take the aligned distance. Okay, my mouse is not working properly actually. See this. Okay, you can practice it, work daily 5 minutes on the AutoCAD and you will be a master of it. Okay, thank you.